So si Coco lang ang matapang. Siya lang ang sumubok. Good morning mga Zoos! This is our officially first day in Bali. Kami naglalakad papunta sa aming... Ari ko! King! Ayun, okay na. Papunta sa aming breakfast. Dahil masyadong maaga. Usually we have a shuttle. Pero sabi 8 o'clock pa. Masyadong late na yung 8 o'clock. Meron kaming tour today. Kaya naman kailangan maaga. So ayan. Naming humps, King. Hindi ko maangat si Mimi. Can you help me? Ayan. Pwede na. So me and the kids are walking. Yung mga kasama namin nandun na. So ayan. Si Andy at Ima nandun pa. Sila Jaja nandun na. So ayan. Walking lang. So maaga ako nakatulog kagabi mga Zoom. Kaya ang aga-aga ako nagising today. Dahil excited na ako sa tour namin. Papakita ko sa inyo ang mga lugar na pupuntahan namin. Ay, tabi! Teka lang ha, walang tatawid. Yan na. Dito na kami sa hotel. Magka-separate kasi guys yung villa at hotel. Pero malapit lang naman. It's like 500 meters. Baba mo na si Mimi. Wala silang lift. Ako na.
Alright, good morning guys. Just after breakfast. So we're staying here on the Nusa Dua side. It's a little bit calmer, less people, but beautiful nonetheless.
Nandito na kami sa kotse mga Zoom. So bale, meron kaming gagawing tour. I believe it's the whole day yung tour namin. And syempre, papakita namin sa inyo yung iba't ibang kultura dito sa Bali habang ipinapakita sa inyo yung lugar. Kasi makikita natin dito ang daming temple, yung mga places, iba-iba yan. Ibang-iba syempre sa Australia, tsaka sa Pilipinas. So pati yung mga pagkain, subukan natin. So ito yung unang araw namin, gaya ng sabi ko kanina. At buong maghapon kaming maglalakwat siya dito sa Bali. So ang una naming pupuntahan, tawag nila dito Git Git Falls. Ayan siya. It's a long drive. Bale, 30 minutes. 3 hours daw ang biyahe. Diba, Leles? 3 hours. So, ayan. Nandito na kami sa aming service. And as of now, medyo maganda naman yung driving namin dahil yung daan naman dito ay dire-diretso. Pero yun nga, malayo lang. And ano siya, parang Baguio ba sa atin mga Zooms? Kasi pataas siya, tapos palamig. Tapos may nakita nga rin kami dito ang Strawberry Hill nila. So, yun. Sa malamig na lugar kasi siya to. Ting-ting daw, Daddy. So, ayan. As you can see, we are still driving. And I will upload. Anong upload? I will update you syempre kung ano yung mga susunod na pupuntahan namin. So, ito muna. The Git Git Falls. ngayon sa traffic kasi na-stranded kami dahil may bumagsak na poste ng kuryente sa bandang unahan. So far, ayan, tapos nakatulog na din ito. Wala kaming parcel dito. Ayan, tulog. Ay, akala ko tulog. Gising ka na pala. Sabi ni Mima, tulog ka eh. Si Mimi tulog. Tapos napansin ko dito guys, ang dami-dami ding motor kagaya sa Pilipinas. So ayan, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga nakamotor sa unahan namin. Motor. Kanina wala pa yan eh. No, nagsiksikan na sila dyan. Mostly ito may babae din nakamotor. Traffic. Sabi pa naman malapit na daw kami. Hindi pa kami umabot. Ayan na, may nakadaan ng isa. Maybe alternate. Kaso congested na ng mga motor. So pauunahin sila. Okay.
Alright guys, we are here in Git. As you can hear, all the motorbikes. It's just me and King at the moment. Baby is just getting down. So we just finished a 3-hour drive. This is quite a steep walk actually, but it kind of feels like you're going to Baguio because it's all uphill. Tapos daming forest, trees, mga ganun. May rice terraces din. So it actually looks a lot like Baguio, and it's cooler here. It's still humid, but it's not as hot as what it was in Nusa Dua. So yeah, we're going down here to Git now, and we will check out the waterfalls. So baby just woke up, which is perfect timing. That's actually a little bit scary if you think about it. Look at that. That car is right there at the edge. But yeah, we're it was a 3 hours. What time did we leave? 9. Yep, 3-hour drive coming all the way out here to the waterfall. So this is part of the tour, and sabi nila tatlong waterfalls though. So just waiting for baby to come down. All right, here they come. Hi my baby, you woke up na? Nap lang?
Nap lang.
Oh, we walk na lang. You can hear the waterfalls in the background there.
Nandito na kami guys sa Git Falls. Pababa at 300 meters yung lalakarin. Coffee tree?
Coffee?
Yeah, this is the Bali coffee. Because we have the three kinds of coffee here.
Yeah.
Ayan, nandito kami sa tapat ng coffee trees.
Arabican coffee. Here the shop.
Oh wow.
Oh, wow.
Do you have coffee?
Yeah, this is the Bali coffee.
I like coffee.
Do you
Nice.
like coffee?
I love coffee. Coffee is life.
Yeah. I'm like us. Every morning we
Every
must,
morning, coffee.
Yeah, we must drink coffee. Even late, a little bit. Addict, yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Look, all water. Careful, Mimi. We go slowly, please. At least it's beautiful weather. It's not too hot.
I can see it.
Wow. Yeah, so we're just walking here. Gotta be careful. Oopsie. Celia is scared of dogs. Ah, what a view. Look at that. Beautiful. You can hear the water in the background.
Oh, durian. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Like the Philippines. We also have durian. So here is the mangosteen. So how long is that until it's ripe?
Just this is the, if like this, we must the whiting the color of the brown a little bit.
Yep.
Yeah, this is very ready.
Like weeks or months?
From like this, maybe another around 2 more weeks.
2 more weeks. Mangoes.
From first,
mangosteen.
But from small like this, maybe we must waiting around 2 months.
2 months. Okay. Nice.
But this is the fruit never joke, never lie with the inside because you can contain him inside.
Okay. It's not. It's really good weather. It's perfect because yesterday was really hot and muggy. But ngayon, it's medyo cool. You like the flower memes? Ayun, so Lele's walking ahead kasi medyo takot siya sa aso. So she was crying. I'll carry you na lang.
If you see the red chili, this is
Red chili?
yeah.
Wow.
But it is now not red, not yet red. Yeah.
Not yet red.
Still green. Yeah, maybe after.
Where is it?
That's it.
The
Wow, that's the green chili.
Yeah. Green chili, still the green. Yeah, after can do better.
There's so many spices here.
Yeah, because in here around 70 or 80% the people here, all the farmers people here.
Farmers
And then
okay.
But the water.
Yeah, look, oh, waterfall.
Waterfall.
Mini waterfall.
Mini waterfall.
Yeah. You know, guys. Mini waterfall.
Look, the middle fall.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
The middle fall.
Beautiful waterfall.
Look. Look one again. Look one again.
Whew. Are you hot?
No.
It's not hot though.
Like
Cacao. Well, I think that's what they
chocolate.
can use for chocolate, yeah.
we have the Arabican coffee.
again?
Yeah, this is the short one. Different like the Bali coffee, little
Yeah.
bit high.
Oh, they get it from
Yeah,
here.
this is the Arabican coffee from the Bali coffee. The farmer here, the grafting, they make the Arabican coffee.
Wow.
Yeah, because the Arabican coffee, they can get the more profit with the Bali coffee.
Yeah. She maybe said, what are you talking about? I was saying something, so I didn't know what you're talking about. Never memes. Say it. Say, what are you talking about? Say it.
Monkeys.
No.
Monkeys talking about.
We're talking about monkey. Guys, kami ay maglalakad ulit pataas. Lamig. Nandito na kami sa waterfalls. Masubs. Ang dami.
Here the swimming pool, here we open from the New Year before.
Wow. Yan ang dalawang waterfall.
Go.
Oh, what are they doing?
They're the climbing, like the canyoning, yeah.
Oh, there are people there, oh.
Yeah.
Hello.
Oh, the truck there. Tingin down from here. There,
Guys, tignan nyo, may mga taong nag-rappel down. Ayan. Oh my God! So this one, this is another fall. Yeah. Gusto ni Mimi. King, picture lang kita.
The one from the drink.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the lemongrass.
Smells really good.
It smells like that candy that.
Yeah, the lemongrass nga. Oh.
After temple, you want to visit the coffee plantation.
I think we have coffee plant tomorrow.
Yeah, this.
Yeah.
Oh, not tomorrow. The day after.
The day after. Sorry, the day after tomorrow. Sorry.
Yeah. Not now, yeah.
Yeah, not now. So tired. This is too far. Yeah.
3 hours.
3 hours and then walk.
And then walk also.
Yeah. Ang dami din guys. So merong glamping for camping. And then syempre dito ang swing ay usong-uso sa Bali. Ayan guys, so may nagsiswing. So si King, itatry niya yung swing. Make sure ha, you hold up. Okay lang. So si Coco lang ang matapang. Siya lang ang sumubok. Ayaw namin. Oh my God. King! Mawa ka lang. Lean back lang. Enough. Last one na. That's the last. Okay. Yeah. Hindi na po niya kinaya. Akyat baba po kasi kami. At ayaw magpababa nung isa. Na, Mimi?
Too cold though.
Too cold for you? Yeah. Oh my God. Mga Zoobs, medyo malayo ang lakad namin. Paakyat na kami ngayon. Kaya medyo struggle. Mimi, walk. You walk, you help Daddy. I think it's not 300.
400, I think.
I think it's 500. And it's up and down. Oh. So mga Zoobs, nandito naman kami sa Handara Gate. Bale, ang problema namin, nandito na kami. Pero may waiting kami na 2 hours. Uulan. Yung weather makulimlim kasi guys eh. Yung weather hindi maganda. So, iba-vlog ko na lang from the outside. So, ayan siya. Sa Handara Golf Resort Bali. So, the thing is, if we go there, punta kami doon, isa-isang picture, 2 oras daw ang aantayin namin. So, titignan ko na lang siya from afar. Tapos, magte-take ako ng picture, papa-edit ko na lang yung mga tao. Okay lang ba? So, ayan siya guys. Dami tao. Hindi pwede pumasok kasi nga kailangan magbabayad ka ata. We cannot go. Hanggang dito lang kami tingin. Guys, natapos na tayo sa 2 naming tour. Bale, it's past lunchtime. So, ngayon pa lang kami kakain. So, nandito kami sa isang restaurant na overlooking ang lake. So, ayan kung nakikita ninyo. Maganda siya. That's the lake? It's it man-made?
This is the Buratan Lake.
The what?
Buratan Lake.
Buratan Lake, guys.
That is the temple also. Between the temple Ulundanu temple.
We are going to the temple later, right? So we just eat after, yes. Let's go eat. Come with us. Guys, nandito naman kami ngayon sa Ulun Datu Beratan. Yan. Ito ang kanilang temple. Nga lang guys. Tingnan natin kung anong meron dito. This is the Ulun Datu Beratan and the Bloom's Garden. So sige, halika, pasok tayo sa Bloom's Garden. I-picture tayo sa loob din. Maganda sa loob. Akala mo nakapasok na yun. Nakita ko lang yung picture.
Okay, together. Thank you. No, yeah, okay.
So Mimi's excited. Oh wow, it's really nice. This is beautiful.
There's a park.
Have a look at that. Wow. This is incredible. This is probably one of the most colorful temples that I've seen. It's very eye appealing.
Pagpasok mo guys, meron tayong tinatawag na playground. Tapos it's a big garden na marami kang pwedeng puntahan. So ito, ayun na sila Ima at King naglalakad na. Dito lang ate. Kami ni Aliyah magkasama. Si Andy at Mimi nandun na iwan. Yan. Ayun din, pwede tayong magpicture dyan Aliyah. Oh. It's a big gate also. So, titignan muna namin yung view dito. Tignan nyo yung mga boats nila, guys. Ang cute! Iba-ibang kulay. Ayan, nakapila na sila para magpa-picture. Ito, Wanaha Air. One! Ano, kumakanta si Aliyah. Ayun pa, pwede pa natin puntahan yun. Let's go. Napakalaki pala nitong Bloom's Garden, mga zoo. So kung pupunta kayo dito, mag-e-enjoy din yung mga bata. So very pang family siya. Ayan, meron pa dito. Galing. Sabi nila, ito daw lake na to ay man-made. So yung iba, pag maganda siguro yung panahon, nagtatry sila sa boat. And I think may extra payment yung boat. Ayan na, may mga sasakay. Ito pa, oh, picture tayo dito. Ayan, picture sila dito mga subs. Wait lang. Ayan. Lumalamig. Parang uulan na talaga. Ang dami ng tao pala dito. Doon banda kasi sa entrance, mga subs, wala. Hi, Carty! Kita. Ayun, daming pwedeng tignan. Diyan yata sila nagdarasal, kung hindi ako nagkakamali. Pwede kang maglagay ng incense. Ayan, umalis na yung ibang tao. So, pwede na tayong makapagpa-picture ng solo. Ba? Parang pinaalis mo sila. Pressure magpa-picture. Ang dami kasing kasunod. Biglang dumami yung tao. Ayan, ito yung kanilang gate. Ang daming lumalabas. Pero magpa-picture tayo dito. So ito yung isang gate. Marami ring nagpipicture dito pero subukan din natin. Tingnan nyo yung mga tiles talaga nila. Kaso parang ang hirap magpicture. Ang dami palang pila. Dumaan tayo. Pila pala. Ayan po ang pila. Mahirap mag-picture. Oh. Okay lang. Wow, Aliyah! Ganun ka din, dali.
Okay, 1, 2, smile! Tingin dito. 1, 2, smile.
Ang galing. O, dun sa strawberry, Lele. Dun, no?
Yung strawberry. Ayun, oh.
Lele, dito, dali. Ayan. Ay, ito pala yung harap, Lele. Ayun yung harap, oh. Pwede ka pumasok sa loob.
Okay.
Picture lang.
Picture.
Sa kinagat na strawberry.
Dito. 1, 2,
Asus.
smile.
This is the other side. Ayan. Para daw Ateneo School, sabi ni King. Doon kasi siya nag-aaral dati. King, may mais! Mais, corn. Ayan, so meron siya mga statue ng prutas, vegetables, mga animals. Ayun, may elephant pa doon, may eagle, may mga ibon-ibon. Yan si Aliyah, enjoy sa picture taking with Mima.
1, 2, smile.
Asus! Asus! Siyempre si Mimi hindi na umalis ng park, ng playground. Oh, natapos na kami umikot, andyan pa rin siya.
Go in the pool.
What?
Go park. I can.
Peace. Go, Meme.
Strawberry. That is strawberry. Look that. Strawberry.
Ayun si Mimi, ayaw paawat. Nakita yung strawberry, para kasing basurahan. Oo nga. Yes, babe. Nice. Picture. Ayan si Mimi. Kita niya yung mga animals. Wow, what's that? That's a giraffe. Ima. Wait. Hindi.
Baka tumama ka dito.
Ay, nako si Mimi. Ima, baka umakit sa... Oh my gosh. May nakikita kami. Crocodile daw ba to? What is it? Sobrang laki niya. Halika, Aliyah. Huy! Halika.
Parrot.
What's that? Elephant. Oh, Mimi, kagating ganyan. Tapos na kami dito, guys. Yeah, we'll look for ice cream. So, we like this place also kasi pwedeng-pwede yung mga bata, natutuwa sila, nag-e-enjoy sila dahil very colorful and at the same time, ito yung parang pinaka-different sa lahat ng mga nakita namin so far dahil nga may hole. Dahil nga, syempre, ano siya, meron siyang touch for kids.
Time to party.
Mga Zoobs, grabe sobrang pagod tayo, no? Pero alam nyo, napakaganda ng mga pinuntahan namin. Actually, pangatlong beses ko na to sa Bali, pero yung mga pinuntahan namin, first time ko yan nakita. So, kung gusto ninyong i-avail yung same package, itatag ko dito si Travel Now Asia dahil sila yung nag-arrange yan para sa amin. So, maraming salamat sa lahat ng nanood ng vlog namin for today. Bukas ulit! Bye-bye from Bali!